Imagine this, you upload a hiking style vlog to your YouTube channel and you get $1,000 worth of affiliate commissions from a video that gained, let's say, 6,000 views. This is the power of YouTube plus affiliate strategy. And in today's video, I'm going to go over 5 YouTube growth hacks that are really going to help you catapult your views so that you can create more affiliate commissions with your RockPorch links. Now imagine having 10, 50, 100 of these YouTube videos working for you at one time. That is the power of YouTube's compounding growth. It's like planting money trees on your YouTube channel. So if that interests you, go ahead and comment sales in the comments below and let's get started with this video. By the way, RockPorch fam, my name is Marissa and I am the new YouTube strategist here at the RockPorch team. And I'm super excited because I will be creating content all about growing your audience, YouTube monetization, how to get more sales from your RockPorch affiliate links, and so much more. I have experience growing my own personal channels to over 220,000 subscribers and gaining 10 million views on the platform. And I'm thrilled to help you really elevate your strategy and earn more from the activities you already love doing. All right, so the first thing I want to mention in today's video is to showcase your gear or your product within the first 30 to 60 seconds of the video. If we're talking YouTube analytics, we want to definitely extend the watch time retention, right? And in that first minute, we want at least 50% of your audience that are still there by that minute mark. So if you look at your YouTube analytics of any past videos and you see that maybe there's only 30% hanging around, that's kind of a red flag and a great opportunity to figure out, like, how could I show more visual hooks, aka your products, your gear, whatever it is you're promoting in the first 30 seconds. And this acts as a great visual hook. And this is when attention from your audience is at its highest. So if you say in the beginning of the video, hey, before I hit the trail, I want to show you the backpack that makes this beast of a trail super easy. Here's a quick 30-second tour. Here's a quick 15-second tour. All right, let's take the backpack and come along with me. That's going to go a very long way. And then instead of creating only vlog style videos, try mixing in the best of videos or how to choose style content. So for example, the best hiking shoes if you're going to hike the Grand Canyon, right? And then you can give examples of products that you've used. And then in the RockPorch platform, you can create a locker specifically with just those 3 to 4 pairs of shoes, right? Because if you create a locker and people go to it and there's like a choice of 100 or so products, people are not going to want to buy because they have too many options. But if you focus the video on just a small amount of items, people are way more likely to choose one of them. The next thing I wanted to talk about is YouTube Shorts. So YouTube Shorts are chef's kiss now in promoting or cross-promoting a short to long form. So this is great to have a demo video, just a quick 30-40 second video of the product, right? And then the call to action at the end of the short could be, hey, for the full length demonstration, click the link right here, because on mobile, the link to click from a short directly to long form is super easy nowadays. Since shorts are highly discoverable nowadays, this is great because you get views to the YouTube short, you get discoverability to your long form videos, and that is exactly where your affiliate links are in your long form videos, right? That's really on YouTube where people are going to buy from you. All right, and the next thing I want to highlight is a common mistake actually that you can fix very quickly within your YouTube descriptions. And that is, I want you to make sure you're putting your top RockPorch links in the first link of the description. So no more is it relevant or important to put an SEO titled keyword on the top line of your description like the olden days. The SEO and the keywords, the secondary tags, hold very, very little weight when it comes to YouTube discoverability and ranking on the first page of YouTube. So my recommendation is always use that first line because that has a lot of eyeballs on there to put, for example, your locker to, oh, my hiking essentials, click here. Or maybe you're encouraging other creators to promote on the RockPorch platform. You can put your affiliate link to become a creator today and put that on the first line of the description. And most importantly, the first pinned comment. So many YouTubers are missing the first pinned comment. So that's, in my opinion, the second most looked at area is that first pinned comment. That's going to get a lot of eyeballs. So make a comment in your comments, pin it. That way you can have your links there and you'll get more attention from people who are going there and looking at the comments below your video. And my most favorite of all is tell the story behind the product. Okay, so say why you love it, because most likely there's a crazy story behind your most favorite products. You know, for example, I slept in the Grand Canyon with these 4 different sleeping bags and 4 different trips. And let me tell you, when the temperatures dropped below 20 degrees, this sleeping bag kept me warm, even though I wanted to cry inside and yada, 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 and, you know, set the scene of what it was like that day and that night. You know, were there creatures around the tent, or did you get scared, or whatever the case may be? This is really fun and memorable, okay? Because of course, when people come to your YouTube videos, they don't always remember exactly what you said, most likely won't, but they'll remember your storytelling and how you made them feel through the connection of your camera and your video. So this is a great way as well to connect a story to it, because people will be like, oh, I have to get this sleeping bag because I'm going on a trip to Yosemite next week and I got to test this out. So they're more than likely to buy. Okay, so storytelling definitely equals an increase in sales. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, definitely check out the video coming up next. All right, so I will see you there. All right, so I will see you on that video. Just click right here. All right, thanks.